I always do all the manual labor around here, especially the curls. Of course it would do that. So anytime I start getting in a trailer and doing manual labor, I get a bunch of phone calls and a bunch of people want to talk about buying Broncos. So it always takes me a little longer. So check this out. Those are the original keys from 1979, Columbia Ford Mercury in Columbia, Illinois. It says record and detach.
That must have been the law firm that, you know, took care of the dealership.
No, I think it's an identification number for like...
Law firm of...
I think that's a dealership thing. More time capsule stuff.
What is amazing is it has average fuel cost on here. Based on a 15,000 miles a year, average fuel cost is $656.
Yeah, 70 cents a gallon.
You spent more than that just to get this truck down there to get it.
All right,
fire
let's
it up.
this thing
Go.
up. If I can get the key in the hole. Ooh.
It's about 100 and what? 30 horsepower?
150. All right, get it straight. And they're wild ponies ready to rock.
They are.
All right.
High-performance machine.
Watch me out of the... Watch me out.
Now that it's home and here and under our roof, what are we going to do with this thing? Coyote swap?
So that's the blessing and the curse of owning such a low-mile vehicle. You can't really drive it. You could just kind of look at it.
So we're going to build this.
No, this is going to be a promotional vehicle where we show the world that we actually have Mustangs coming through our shop.
So it's for sale?
It is, but not yet, because I kind of want to look at it just a little bit more.
Don't even touch it.
When it does come for sale, however, you're going to know about it.